Okay, so I looked at the directions on this, I guess, when I was writing it up. But the idea is write a quadratic equation in y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c form, given the information. Okay, so our max value means that's the y coordinate of our vertex. Okay, x-intercepts means the x-coordinate of our vertex is halfway between. Okay, so that makes my vertex equal to halfway between 1 and negative 3 is negative 1, max value of 2, negative 1, 2. Okay, also my x-intercepts, so x is equal to negative 3, x is equal to 1, so I've got x plus 3 times x minus 1, a, y equals, I've got a point, use my points, x, y, so I've got 2, negative 1 equals a plus 3 minus 1. So do my simplification. A, this is 2, this is negative 2. 2 is equal to negative 4a. A is equal to negative 1 half. Okay, so come over here. Take that piece right there and say y is equal to negative 1 half times x plus 3 times x minus 1. FOIL, x squared plus 2x minus 3, negative 1 half x squared minus x plus 3 halves is y. And that's your answer. Okay. So remember, our vertex is what? The y coordinate is negative 18. The x coordinate is between negative 1 and 5, which is 2. Okay, then I have x plus 1 times x minus 5. I have a, that equals y. So I'll plug in the x's I know from the vertex, and the y is negative 18. Okay, so just remember that 2 is here and here. That negative 18 is there. Okay, so simplify. A times 3 times negative 3 is equal to negative 18. Negative 9a is equal to negative 18, or a is equal to 2. Good, lovely. Now, let's go and let's just take this piece, and let's say y is equal to 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 5. So I get 2 times x squared minus 4x minus 5, or y is equal to 2x squared minus 8x minus 10. That's your answer for that one. Okay, last two problems. Vertex. Our vertex for this problem is 3, 4. Halfway between the x-intercepts, 0 and 6 is 3. Max value is 4. So my x-intercepts is x, x minus 6. You have an a, that equals y. Plug in the x and the y I know. X is 3. Y is 4. Alright, that's 3 times negative 3 is equal to 4. So we get a times a negative 9 is equal to 4. So a is equal to 4 over negative 9. Okay, well that's not extremely lovely, but we'll be able to deal with it. Y is equal to negative 4 ninths x times x minus 6. Distribute it. Y is equal to negative 4 ninths x squared plus 8 thirds. Okay, last one, minimum value of negative 1. Alright, so that's the y coordinate of the vertex. X coordinate of the vertex is halfway between 1 and 3, which is 2. So I get y is equal to a times x minus 1 times x minus 3, or negative 1 is equal to a times 2 minus 1 times 2 minus 3. Negative 1 is equal to a times 1 times negative 1. Negative 1 is equal to negative a. So 1 is equal to a. Good. Take this, and I plug in a, which is 1, which makes our life easy. So that's y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3. And that's the end of page 6 of the review, and that's all of the review.